Tonight I'm making quesadillas. I'm Tess, and these quesadillas are easy, spicy, and good. To make my quesadillas tonight, I'm using my spicy chipotle corn and black bean salsa. It is packed with flavor and spicy from my homemade chipotle mayonnaise. If you would like to see those video recipes, I'll leave links here and also in the Show More section below this video. I'm using my cast iron grill pan tonight, and I have it heating on a low to low medium. I'm brushing the grill side of my flour tortilla with a little oil, flipping over the tortilla and laying down my ingredients. The key to making a quesadilla is starting and ending with cheese, and this is going to help glue or hold it together. Tonight I'm using a combo of garlic jack and mozzarella cheese, and you can use the cheese that you like. I'm placing down some grated cheese and then a couple spoonfuls of my spicy corn salad. I just love the Mexican flavors and the freshness of all the ingredients. On goes some more grated cheese, folding over the tortilla and giving it a gentle press. You can keep these quesadillas vegetarian, but they're also good with any leftover cooked meat. And just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, links, and much more in the Show More section below this video. If you have a chance, please check it out. My pan is ready, and these quesadillas will not take long to cook, only about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Don't walk away, keep an eye on them, and you may need to adjust your heat. I'm using my grill pan, but you can use any pan that you have. Once you see the cheese starting to melt and the tortilla is toasted, give it a flip, and the second side usually takes less time than the first. Once done, I'm letting them rest for a couple minutes and then cutting into pieces. These spicy quesadillas are easy to make and have lots of flavor and texture. I hope you give these easy and spicy quesadillas a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!